Today we'll delve into the concept of inside bars, a potent pattern that can facilitate profitable trading. Initially, let's grasp the appearance of an inside bar formation. The name itself offers a hint about its structure. Imagine an abstract candlestick on the chart. I will sketch these elements for better visibility. The candlestick features an upper shadow and a lower shadow. Hey my dear friend, I go by the name Mary. Enthusiasts of trading are progressively coming together here, and I'm truly thrilled to welcome fresh subscribers to my channel. This YouTube channel was established with the intention of imparting the wealth of knowledge I've gained from years of practical experience. I host sessions, showcase strategies, and discuss indicators and patterns. Occasionally we explore new insights together, as in trading, the journey of improvement is continuous. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and become part of our community. Your presence and comments never fail to bring me joy. Today we'll delve into the concept of inside bars, a potent pattern that can facilitate profitable trading. I'll elucidate the process of identifying inside bars on a chart and delve into multiple strategies for effectively trading this pattern. Initially, let's grasp the appearance of an inside bar formation. The name itself offers a hint about its structure. Imagine an abstract candlestick on the chart. To enhance clarity, I'll depict it as a rectangle. This depicts a standard green candlestick indicating a slight price increase. It also encompasses shadows, alternatively known as tails or wicks. I will sketch these elements for better visibility. The candlestick features an upper shadow and a lower shadow. Now, envision the subsequent candlestick forming in a way that it remains within the boundaries of the larger candlestick, often referred to as the mother candlestick. Let's assume its structure is as it follows. This manifests as a red candlestick with conventional shadows. I'll delineate them too. And that, my friends, is an inside bar. The color of the new candlestick is immaterial. It could be red or green, and it wouldn't impact matters. An inside bar occurs when the ensuing candle forms within the bounds of the preceding zone, ensuring its shadows don't protrude beyond those of the prior candle. This implies that the highs and lows of the prior candle remain intact. This configuration, or rather pattern, is termed as inside bar. Now the pertinent query: what can we anticipate from the market following such a pattern, and how do we capitalize on it? The response hinges on circumstances. The price might ascend or descend. This formation suggests that traders are consolidating their insights and resources, signaling an impending market move. Subsequent to an inside bar forming on the chart following the closure of the second candle, we need to identify the high and low levels of the inside candle. This can be achieved using basic horizontal lines, or if you're using trading view charts, you might even avail a dedicated indicator. With the levels dully marked, we await the price to breach either level. Suppose subsequent to the pattern's formation, the price begins to decline and breaches the low. In this scenario, you can initiate a short trade and wait for the continuation of the trend. Chances are high that the price will persist in its downward trajectory. Similarly, you should replicate the process for bullish trends. If the price commences an ascent and breaches the higher level, you can initiate a long trade post-breakout and await further upward movement. Conceive this as the price surpassing a resistance level. In essence, it's a straightforward strategy. The crux lies in promptly detecting the emergence of the inside bar and being poised to trade. Now, let's transition to analysis, pinpoint some opportunity scenarios, and put the strategy to the test in real-world conditions. By the way, even on this chart, there are a few instances. No need to scour far. Consider the Australian dollar to Swiss franc currency pair. We experienced a modest upward shift, somewhat lackluster in terms of entry points, yet at the pinnacle, an inside bar pattern materialized. I'll outline it with a rectangle. There it is, in case it escaped your notice. This is a remarkably clear inside bar. A candlestick emerged entirely within the confines of its mother candlestick. The trading position is evident even in the absence of a conspicuous red candlestick. Had I identified the inception of this inside bar, I would promptly annotate the high and low levels of the inner candle. Naturally, I'm illustrating this for illustrative purposes, but during trading, I rely on visual assessment. I would monitor the level the price breaches in the ensuing moments. Currently, the price has breached the lower level, implying a suitable juncture for entering a short trade. This would have proven a confident decision. By meticulously tracking inside bars, you'll come across myriad such opportunities. Now let's practice discerning inside bars. So let's delve into the euro to Canadian dollar currency pair. At this moment, we can observe the emergence of an inside bar pattern. It's distinctly evident that the most recent candle remains within the high and low boundaries of the preceding mother candle. It's important to know that we're operating within a 5-minute time frame. Next, I'll denote the levels corresponding to the high and low of the inside bar. Our next step involves transitioning to a lower time frame since we're currently analyzing the 5-minute interval. Let's wait a price breakout from either of the levels. The current movement of the price indicates its approach to the lower boundary, and I'm preparing to initiate a short trade. Should the price breach this support zone, I'll enter a trade with a downward position. At present moment, the price hovers around this level without breaking it just yet. We'll maintain our position and wait. A breakout has occurred at this level, prompting me to execute the trade. The price has descended below the low of the inside bar, affirming the accuracy of my decision. Now, I'll switch to a 15-second time frame to monitor the progress of the trade. We're mere moments away from the trading closure. The price introduced a hint of uncertainty, but ultimately dropped beneath the entry point. We'll secure our initial profit for today and keep an eye out for other promising trading prospects. And now, let's focus our attention on the Canadian dollar to Japanese yen currency pair. An inside bar pattern has emerged here as well. It's evident that the second to last red candle entirely fits within the preceding mother candle. Alright, let's designate the high and low levels and wait for a potential breakout. I'd like to reiterate that we're operating within a 5-minute time frame. Now we wait breakout from either of these levels and position ourselves for a trade. I'll momentarily shift to the 1-minute time frame to ensure we capture the breakout instantaneously and promptly enter the trade. Currently, the price is nearing the lower boundary, but it hasn't broken through it yet. As previously mentioned, these boundaries function as pivotal support and resistance levels. I'm preparing to initiate the trade, setting it at 3 minutes in duration and an investment of $300. We anticipate the breakout, by the way. It's not common to observe a sequence of successive inside bars. We came excruciatingly close, missing the lower boundary by just 2 pips. Interestingly, the lower level of the inside bar served as a robust resistance point. I anticipate waiting for an additional 30 to 60 seconds for the eventual breakout. In my estimation, finally the moment has arrived. Price breakout. I'm initiating a short trade valued at $300, scheduled for a 3-minute duration. Transitioning to the 30-second time frame, I'll now patiently wait for the trade's outcome. As the trade approaches its conclusion, I'm gearing up to secure the profit. The trade culminated with a 33 pip again, an impressive outcome for such a straightforward strategy. Voila, a $250 profit in my pocket. That wraps up today's session. I'm genuinely hopeful that you found this video insightful. If you enjoyed it, I really appreciate your thumbs up. Feel free to post any inquiries in the comments section and I'll be sure to respond, possibly even dedicating an entire video to address them. Your subscription to my YouTube channel would be most welcome. Should you wish to trade alongside me, I encourage you to subscribe to my Telegram channel where I furnish complimentary trade entry signals. Simply follow my lead to unlock the potential for profits. I'm looking forward to our next interaction. See you soon.